More Unfiltered by Grace Crafted.
Life, laughter, and love.
Magdalene.
Don't worry, just they play. Just they play. Keep playing. Just they play. They play.
Oh, you're actually reading your book.
Yes, mommy. No, I have exams.
It's okay. That's nice. Oh, well done, my child. Hold on, I wanted you to do something for me, but since you are reading, let me not disturb you, okay? Concentrate and read your books, okay? Well done.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you so much.
Hello, graceful lovers. Thanks for watching my video. If you love my content, like, love, react, share, and engage. And if you are viewing on my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. If you are following my page, please do well to follow my page, like it. Watch out for our next episode next week, Monday. Bye bye.